Good evening, Manvita.
Good evening, ma'am.
Did you try changing your name or it is not getting changed?
Ma'am, I tried but it's not getting it.
Okay, then I need to inform them about it.
Okay, ma'am.
And are you able to understand what is happening, what is going on in the maths and science classes?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday, I think sir has taught the real numbers, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, should we have to keep separate books for these subjects?
You can make the one note. You can divide basically. Fine. So in
O-
one note, front side, maybe you can write the maths, and then in between somewhere you can write the bio part or the chemistry part in the upcoming classes. Or maybe you can have the two copies. So one you can use maybe for one maths and bio together, and the other one you can use for the physics and chemistry like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So because if you use for four subjects, then you might get confused where you have divided the pages and all.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manasvi. How are you? Aditi, good evening. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine.
You can turn on the videos. Yeah, children, you can turn on the videos. Aditi, Manasvi, and
Yes,
Mahanvita.
one second, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, actually, I have network issues.
Okay. You can, Manvita, you can just ask your mother or father, whosoever is there, to inform in the support group. Okay. There's a group called a support and feedback group. So they can just message there the reason that why you're not turning on the video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So anytime if you, anyone of you are taking leave or any kind of the videos are not working, your parents have to keep a message or through, they have to send a message in that group, support and feedback group. Hurry up, children, turn on the video so that we can start now. Hurry up, children, turn on the videos. How many times it has to be repeated? Do it fast.
Yes,
Aditi,
ma'am. Just
Manasvi.
getting my
Okay.
answer.
Rehan, hurry up, Rehan. Your video was off. It got turned off now. Why? You can turn it on, children.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. I'm turning it on.
Do it fast. So yesterday I gave you the homework, which was actually to read the poster, whatever the poster was shared. In that, the reading has to be done. You all have read it? Yes,
Yes,
Kusum?
ma'am.
So okay, so Deep is saying yes. Turn on the videos, children, or I'll not start anything then. I don't like the class like this actually. It has to be turned on. Hurry up, children, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, today I cannot on my camera, ma'am.
Why?
I have logged in another phone, ma'am, in which camera is not working, ma'am.
So you inform this in the support and feedback group, okay? Ask your parents to inform that.
Ma'am, only for today. Only
Ha,
today.
you just mention in the group that only for today I will not be able to turn on the videos.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that the team should not call your parents. Otherwise, what happened? Anyone of our team will be calling a parent and they'll be informing them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gitanjali, turn on the video. Sudeep, turn on the video. Pranati, turn on the video. Rehan, turn on the video. Hurry up. Gitanjali, can you hear me?
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. So you know what I'm going to teach you?
Yeah, you're gonna be teaching me bio.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So we will be starting today now with the types of the nutrition. So different modes of the nutrition we are going to discuss. And in the modes of the nutrition, I think Sudeep has gone through, right? Sudeep, what you have read in that poster?
Ma'am, about nutrition and different types of nutrition, ma'am.
That's what are the different types there?
Autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition.
Manasvi, what was given under the heterotrophic mode of nutrition?
There was symbiotic, then there was
Not red, right? See, this is the way how I'm going to test you any point of time. If the homework is given, I can ask you anytime, any question. Rehan, what was given in the heterotrophic mode of nutrition?
Ma'am, in the heterotrophic, there were parasitic, saprophytic, insectivorous, and symbiotic.
Very good, Rehan, very good. Mahanvita, what was the example given in the autotrophs?
Autotrophs are green trees like mangoes, neem,
Great.
and
The same example you have given. Okay, okay. Fine. So let's start now, and I want everybody to write, but I'll tell you when to write, okay? So first let me explain you, then only you should start writing. And let me know whether my screen is visible or not. Is my screen visible, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, okay, thank you. So we will be starting with today is 7th March, the Saturday. I think you all are excited today is Saturday and tomorrow it is Sunday, so you can enjoy, right? Okay. Now, these are the modes of the nutrition, what we are going to discuss. But I'll come to this poster later on. I'll just explain you first of all the different modes. When we talk about the modes of nutrition, there are the two major modes of nutrition. Okay. Two major modes of nutrition are there, which are the autotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, and the second one is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So two main modes, autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, when we talk about their definition, Gitanjali, do you know what are they?
Yes, ma'am, I do know.
What do you mean by autotrophic?
Ma'am, autotrophic can be those that the type of nutrition that is self-nourished and it is, it produces their own food. So, for example, it can be green plants.
Good, good, good. Correct, correct. Now, when we talk about the autotrophic, basically they are derived from the two words. Auto means self, and the second word is the trophos, which means nourishment. And when we combine these two words together, it gives us the self-nourishment. So they are those organisms who can prepare their own food or they can nourish themselves. Nourishment means they can actually get the food from themselves. They can prepare themselves. That is what the meaning of this. Now, in the autotrophic mode of nutrition, they have basically the chlorophyll. So they have what? They have a pigment which is called as chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is what? It is a pigment, and the pigment color is the green. So they are the green color pigment which will be helping them to prepare the food. Second important thing for the board examination for the 1 mark, most of the year they are asking about it, that what is the other name of autotroph? Anyone, can you answer what is the other name for the autotrophs? What they are called as?
Producers.
Very good. They are called as the producers. Very important. Now, can any one of you tell me why are they called as producers? Why are they called as producers?
They're the only organisms that can produce their own food using photosynthesis.
Yes. So since what is happening, they produces their own food. That is why they are called as a producers. So two specialty about them, they are called as a producer since they can produce their own food. The second thing is they have the chlorophyll, which is a green color pigment to prepare the food. Fine. The examples, many examples are there. So it can be any of the tree you can write, any of the green plant name you can write, whatever you know you can write. Now, second part was the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, when we talk about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, I'll just write it here again. Heterotrophic. Now, this heterotrophic mode of nutrition, this actually nutrition, this is also being derived from the two words, the heteros, which means dependent. The second one is trophos, which means nourishment. Okay. So they're being derived from the two Greek words, the heteros, which means dependent on others. They're dependent on others, and the trophos means getting the nourishment. So we all are the heterotrophic since we are dependent on the others. Okay, now let me stop writing and I have a question for you all. Okay, so my question is, though we are saying we are dependent. Only Aditi's video is on, others' videos are off. Turn on the videos, children. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Pranati, Rehan, Gitanjali, turn on your video. Manasvi. So the question to you all is that our mothers are preparing the food in the kitchen. So why we are saying that we are dependent on the others? Yeah. So we are our mothers are doing it, right? Our mothers are preparing. If you wanted to prepare the vegetable curry, vegetable biryani, paneer gravy, something, whatever your favorite dish, she is preparing. Then why we are saying that we are dependent on the others?
The raw
Ma'am,
materials are coming from plants.
Very good. Since the raw materials are coming from the plant, only from the plants are we getting the raw material, Gitanjali?
Ma'am, we all, well, in my case, I'm non-vegetarian myself, so we could say we derive food from too.
Correct, exactly. Very good. So we are getting the food from the other animals also. So it can be the plants, it can be the other animals as well. Okay. So we are called as a heterotroph since we are getting the nourishment from the plants, from the other plants, we are depending on them, or for the other animals also. So if I wanted to drink the milk, I have to rely, right? It is not like I can generate and I can drink. We cannot do that. We have to get it from the outside only. Same way, if we have to make the paneer, if we have to make the cheese, we have to rely. We do not have any kind of service that automatically we can generate. The only thing is, mother, what they're doing, whatever the raw material she is collecting, she is using and making it in the kitchen. Correct? It is not like she is making the mangoes or she is making the pumpkins or any other kind of thing. She is not generating that. She is collecting she is getting the raw material and then she is just combining all those ingredients and then making the food or the dishes, whatever you like. So, Aditi, what is your favorite food?
Ma'am, I'm vegetarian.
I am
I
also
like
vegetarian.
Ma'am, I eat everything. I don't have
Oh, I am very choosy actually. I don't eat everything. Gitanjali, do you eat everything?
I mean, I guess I would not prefer dalia at all because that's my least favorite food. But other than
Oh,
bitter gourd and anything which is not lightly preferable by any common human is just something I don't like.
okay, okay, good. Kusum, what about you? What is your favorite food? If I have to offer something, you're coming to my home and I have to make something for you. What do you like to have?
Ma'am, momos.
Oh, Okay, okay. Momo, sorry, I don't know how to prepare. I can get the ready-made one, but okay. So for that, the maida has to be prepared in the factories, and then only you can, I think your mother might be, she knows how to prepare, then it can be prepared. So that's the reason we are coming under the heterotroph. And also, not only we actually, like, there are certain other organisms as well. Like you might have heard about the fungus. Fungus are basically the organisms who are heterotrophic in nature, they can't prepare the food. Like if you keep the bread for many days, and you will be able to see small patches of the cotton will be appear over the fungus, over the bread. So those are the fungus. So fungus are harmful or useful for us? What do you think, Pranati? Fungus are harmful or useful for us?
Sometimes fungus is useful for us, like bread.
Bread is useful?
Yes, ma'am.
You think and say, think and say. I asked you, fungus are harmful or useful, or if it is both, then bread is not the example. Bread is not the fungus. Bread is just the food item actually. But when you are getting that bread is getting affected by the fungus, it is not useful, it is harmful. Any other example which is useful actually? Think. Anyone? Manvita, Rehan, Manasvi, Kusum, Sampath turn on the video. Manasvi turn on the video. Sudeep, any useful fungus? You might be eating children. I'll give you the hint.
Ma'am, yeast.
Yeast. Okay.
Mushroom.
Yeast. Sorry, come again.
Mushrooms.
Very good. Mushrooms. Okay. Mushrooms are the type of the fungus, and mushrooms are actually two types. One is a poisonous, and the other one are the non-poisonous one. So we are eating the non-poisonous one, where it does not affect our body. So every kind of the microbes, what do we have around us? It can be harmful, it can be useful also. Like bacteria, we have. Bacteria can be useful, bacteria can be harmful. The curd, what do we eat, is basically the lactobacillus bacteria, which is present in that. Find the milk, what do we eat, what would we drink? Basically, it has lactic acid, it again a bacteria. Fine. Again, at the same time, it can be the harmful also because it causes the diseases, which is typhoid and other kind of the tuberculosis it causes. So it can be useful, it can be harmful. It depends upon the type of it. Okay. So heterotrophic, we will be depending on the other. So in the heterotrophic condition, the first type of it is the parasites. Who are the parasites?
The ones that feed on the host.
Ma'am, we.
You. Right? Kusum has said she is the parasite, which is correct, right? Right, Gitanjali, she is the parasite? Yes, Gitanjali, she is correct. She is a parasite.
Ma'am, can I add in my own example?
Yeah, you can do that.
I would say lice could be one type of parasite. Because, well,
Okay.
it feeds off the
Correct.
host.
Yes, 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 yes. So lice is one of the example of the parasite, correct? So what happens? See, parasites are basically those organisms who will be getting the nourishment from the other organisms, and the other organisms from where they will be getting the nourishment, they are called as the host. So in that case, you are getting the knowledge from me. So I am acting like a host for you all, right? So I'm a host, I'm giving you the knowledge, and you are the parasite, you are taking the knowledge. Correct? You're gaining it. You're gaining it continuously. So that is one simple understanding. To make you understand, we have just learned in that way. Okay. Otherwise, in reality, the example is you have the tree called as the kaskata or the amarbel. Then you have the example which is the lice also. So there are the many other different examples. Okay. Then the second type of it is the symbiosis. Symbiosis is, for example, now I want to have the green pen, but I don't have it. Manasvi, she has the green pen, okay? And she wanted to have the black pen, which I have. So what I'll do, I'll say, Manasvi, you give me your pen, green pen, and you take in return the black pen. What happened? Now both of us have both the type of it, blue also and black also. She also has the same, blue as well as the black. So with a mutual understanding, what we did, we have exchanged our material. And with that, we both are getting the benefit. Clear? So such kind of the relationship is called as a symbiosis or symbiotic relationship. So it happens in the case of the algae and the fungus, where algae, they are autotroph in nature. They can prepare the food. They can do the photosynthesis easily. But the main problem with the algae is that they do not have the place to live. They do not have the place. Now, if they do not have the place, they will be roaming here and there. They cannot survive actually much. So that is the negative part of them. They can prepare, which is positive. But the second part is negative. They do not have the place to live in. Coming to the second thing is fungus. Fungus, they cannot prepare the food. That is what the negative part of them. But the positive part is that they have the place to live. Now, both of the organisms, they have one of the each thing. So what do? They will be actually coming together in a relationship by exchanging their things. So algae will prepare the food and they will give it to the fungus, and fungus in return will give the shelter to the algae. That is what the symbiosis. And when they join together, they are called as the lichens. Am I clear, Sampath?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahanvita, Kusum, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rehan, Pranati? Okay. Any doubt, Aditi, Gitanjali, and Manasvi?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So let me share the screen now again. So you need to write, okay? I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So you can start writing with me, children, now. The first page is being done, or you have to take the time to write it?
Ma'am, before this page, one more it is there now, ma'am. That also I did not write. Yeah.
This one you can write it fast, children. Just write it fast so that we can go to the next page. So modes of nutrition, two major modes are there, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic has been derived from two words. Auto means self, tropos means nourishment, self-nourishment. They have a pigment, green color pigment called as the chlorophyll. With the help of the chlorophyll, they will be preparing the food. They are called as the autotrophs, and the other name of the autotroph, very, very important, they are the producers. Since they produce the food, they are called as the producers. So heterotrophic, it is being derived from the two words. Hetero means dependent on the others, and tropos means nourishment. So getting the nourishment or dependent on the others for nourishment, that is called as a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So they are further then divided into the four different types of them. So first complete this, then we will be going to the other part of it. Is it done, Sampath, Mahanvita, Kusum, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi, Sudeep?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it done now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go to the next one then. Okay, four different types. Okay, I'll just write it here then. Types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Types of.
That heterotroph I had to write.
Okay. We are going to the types of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, types of the heterotrophic. Now, in this, four major types are there. The first one, as I told you, is the parasitic nutrition. The second one is the symbiotic nutrition. Symbiotic nutrition. The third one is the saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. The fourth one is the insectivorous nutrition. Insectivorous nutrition. And the last one is the holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. So five types basically. Parasitic, symbiotic, saprophytic, and the insectivorous and the holozoic. So the four you have learned actually. This parasitic you have learned in your grade 7, symbiotic you have learned, saprophytic you have learned, insectivorous also you have learned. The new which is being added in the grade 10 is about the holozoic nutrition. Is this done, children?
Ma'am, I cannot see your presentation.
Only you can't see or the others also can't see? Manasvi, can you
Ma'am,
see
we
the
can
presentation?
see.
Okay, I think then you need to just leave and then join again
Okay, ma'am.
because to others it is visible. Done, children, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudeep, done? Sampath, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Gitanjali, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now one by one, we go, since you all have learned this topic before, so we will be just running through the poster. The first type of it is the parasitic. In this, the plant will depend on they will be depending on the host plants for the nutrients. They will be getting the nutrient from the host. And this is important point. Learn this thoroughly. They have the special sucking roots, which is called as hostoria. Okay, they have what? They have these special sucking roots, which are called as the hostoria. In the board examination, they ask, what do you understand by the hostoria? So hostoria, they are the sucking roots through which they will be getting the nourishment. Okay? Sorry, come again?
Sorry.
I can't hear you. So those special sucking roots of the parasites are called as the hostoria. Example, Cuscuta, Amarbane, and the Rafflesia also. Then second type is saprophytic mode of nutrition. They are also called as by the name decomposers. So they are the decomposers. What do? They will be feeding on the dead and decaying organic matter. So whatever the dead or decay organic matter will be there, they'll come on them, they'll feed on them. And slowly and gradually, they will digest them by producing the enzyme. And when they digest, what happen? Those nutrients they will be making and they will go into the soil. And from the soil, who will be using those nutrients?
The plants.
Very good. The plants will be using. Okay. So, for example, I'm giving you. Suppose any dead animal is there. Okay. Now, on that dead animal, the bacteria will come. Okay. Now, it is not like one bacteria. Many bacteria will come automatically on the dead body. And slowly and gradually, they will start eating those dead body part. And when they start eating them, automatically what happens? Those dead body part will not be chewed by the bacteria because they do not have the complex body. Their body is very simple. So they will convert their body into the soluble form in the form of the nutrients. And that nutrients they will be actually releasing into the soil. And once they goes into the soil, the nutrients, they will be taken up by the plants. So plants will be using those nutrients and then they will be helping themselves for the growth and development. So that is how the process will be happening. Let me write it again. Maybe some of you might not be able to understand orally. So, as I said you, dead animal is there. Who will come on them? The decomposer, I can say saprotrophs. So saprotrophs will come on them and they will sit on them. And once they sit on them, they will start digesting the enzyme. When they start digesting the enzyme, what do? They will be converting their body, or they convert that dead animal into what? Into the soluble nutrient. And this soluble nutrient, where it goes? It goes into the soil. And from the soil, who will be using it? The plants. And the plants, who will be taking it up? The animals like us or the other animals. Clear? So that is how the whole process of the saprophytic nutrition will be happening. Sudeep, am I clear? Sampath and Sudeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Gitanjali, Mahanvita, am I clear? Gitanjali, Mahanvita, any doubt?
No.
Aditi, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Jashvita,
Yes, ma'am.
I think today you have joined late, right?
Yes, ma'am. I just got the link.
No, see, what you need to do is you have to, the group is there by the 10 p. Okay. In the morning
Okay.
itself, we'll be posting the reminder there that which class at what time do you have. Okay. Accordingly, you have to
Okay.
join compulsory.
Okay.
Fine. So in the morning time, we are posting that link somewhere 3:30 or 4 a.m. itself.
Okay.
Okay. So that you should not miss your class.
Okay.
Okay. So we have just discussed about the modes of the nutrition today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, the next one is the insectivorous nutrition. So in the insectivorous nutrition, I think you might have heard about a plant which is called as a pitcher plant. Do you know, children, what is pitcher plant?
They have
Any
hair-like
idea?
structures inside which traps the insect, which attracts and
Well,
traps the insect.
correct, correct. So it will be like somehow like this. This is called as a pitcher. They will have a lid, or I can say the flap will be, sorry, the flap will be there. Then this is the body. This is actually the body. Inside this body, they have many hairs. Okay, like this, many hairs will be there. And also, apart from this, they have the juice in it, which is called as digestive juice. So these are the certain part which the pitcher plant will have. This is what the pitcher plant. So in the case of the pitcher plant, what happened? The leaves of the pitcher plant get converted, or they get modified into this flap-like structure or the pitcher-like structure. In this, what happened? They basically trap the insects. Now, why they are trapping the insects? Why they have to trap the insects? Very important question for your examination. They do it so as to get the nitrogen. Fine. So plants, they need the nitrogen. If they do not get the nitrogen, it becomes difficult for them to survive. So what do? They will be trapping the insects because insects will have the nitrogen. So as to fulfill their body requirement, they have to do that. So suppose this is the insect now here. This is the insect. This insect is coming, and by mistakenly the insect has reached here. Okay, this is like insect. I am drawing it here. By mistakenly, the insect is here, or might be the insect has come here now. Okay. So what happened the moment when the insect come on the flap or come on the top part of it, the flap gets closed like this. It will get closed. Now this is the flap. Here it got closed. Automatically when it get closed, the insect will go inside. Now, inside the body of the pitcher, what are there? So many hairs are there, and the juice is also there. Automatically, the insect has to come down. When the insect come down, there is no other option. They cannot go anywhere. They'll get trapped. They'll get entangled. Entangled means they get trapped. So they will get actually trapped by the hairs. move out, but they will not be able to move out because of so many hairs trapping into it. And then once they are being trapped, because of the digestive juice, they will be eaten by them. Okay? They will be digesting them, and then again they will open. As soon as they digest, they will open the flap again. They will open the lid again like this. Am I clear? Mahanvita, Jasvita, am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt do you have? So not only this, there are many other plants also, insectivorous plant like sundew, you have Venus flytrap, you have so many drosera, you have. So every kind of the insectivorous plant will have the different modes, actually different structure they will have. Some has the dew-like structure, some has the tiny spines-like structure. So depends upon the plant to plant. So insectivorous nutrition, they trap and digest the insects for the nitrogen. They grow in the nitrogen deficient soil. So the place where they grow, it does not have actually the nitrogen. So that is why they have to do this process. Now, symbiotic relationship plants, they live in mutual association as we have discussed. And let me discuss again because Jashvita has joined late. So in the category of the symbiosis, there will be the mutual understanding, mutual relationship will be there. Mutual relationship. For example, two organisms are there, algae and the fungus. Now, what happened? The specialty of the algae is that they can prepare the food. That is what the positive. They can prepare food. But fungus, they cannot prepare the food. What is actually the specialty of fungus? They have shelter, they have the place to live in. But algae does not have the place to live in. Okay? So algae can prepare the food, but they do not have the place to live in. Whereas fungus, they cannot prepare the food, but they have the place to live in. So what do they do? With their mutual understanding, the algae will give food to the fungus, and in return, the fungus will give place to the algae. So this relationship where both the organisms with the mutual understanding, they actually exchange a material that is called as the symbiosis or the symbiotic relationship. Am I clear, Jashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, symbiotic relationship also we can write it. So I'll just go back again now with that. Okay, so autotrophic example, sunlight, CO2, H2O. The example, sorry, nutrient source is the sunlight, CO2 and H2O. Example are the mango and neem. Parasitic, the example cascata. Saprophytic, example monotropa or the fungus. Insectivorous example, pitcher plant, sundew plant, Venus flytrap. Symbiotic example, the lichens and the leguminous plants. So leguminous plants also, what do? They will be living with the bacteria so as to get the benefit. So I hope children, you all have written all the things. Is anything pending? Have you completed, children, writing all those things? Gitanjali, completed?
Ma'am, can you show the previous one?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. So two modes of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Heterotrophic is further divided into 5 types of it, 5 modes of it. Parasitic, symbiotic, insectivorous, Then you have the Holozoic. So we are remaining with the Holozoic,
Yes,
children.
ma'am. I
Still,
completed.
we okay. So still we have to discuss about the Holozoic mode of nutrition. Okay. So now you can start sending the notes, children. Jashvita, I'll share the notes today with you. Okay, you write it and then send it.
Okay, ma'am.
And do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Fine. Every day with the same link you have to join if it is the bio class. And if it is not the bio class, the other link is there, CT Pro. By that you
Yeah.
have to join.
Okay.
Okay, like you have suppose now at 7 p.m. you have the math class. So through that link, CT Pro link, you have to join there. Then
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have physics class, you have chemistry class. Through that CT Pro link only you have to join. Only for my class, you will be joining using the Zoom link. So you can save it in your mobile phone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Pranati, any doubt? Manvita, any doubt? Kusum, any doubt? Aditi, Gitanjali, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sampath, Sudeep, any doubt?
No,
Now
ma'am.
today I'll be giving you one marker question. I think Aditi has done already those questions. So I'll be giving you as a homework those questions. Kindly do them. Okay. And you have to send me, not tomorrow. Please send it today itself. Don't wait for the Sunday to come and then I'll be doing it. Don't do that. Okay. It is just one marker question. Complete it and send it by today itself on my number. So I have received the notes from Pranati. I have received it.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
Where
Come again. Kusum, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, actually on 10th, I have bio test, ma'am, cycle test.
Which chapter is coming?
Our environment, ma'am.
How come that chapter they are giving?
Ma'am, they will go from down to up, ma'am, in bio.
Okay. Do you want me to take a class for you?
Ma'am, can you take it tomorrow, means?
Sunday is actually I'm not available. On any Sunday, I will not be there.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Maybe I'll do one thing. I'll arrange the other teacher, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that a quick kind of the revision can be done by him, okay?
Yes, ma'am. At least if they explain me the topic, not in.
Important topics.
So yes, ma'am. I will.
Fine, I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have
Ma'am,
received. Tell me, Gitanjali.
where do I have to send the 1 mark question? Because I don't have your number.
You have my number. Check with your mother. I have sent her on her mobile, okay? Just check it. She has my number. Okay, I've sent her a hi also.
Ma'am, my mother went out. When she comes, I will send you the notes, ma'am.
Okay. I have received from Sampath. I have received from Mahanvita. I have received from Manasvi. I have received from Aditi. Okay, still who is remaining? Rehan, hurry up. Rehan is remaining. Sudeep, you are remaining. Jaspita, I'll share you the file with you, okay?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
will it be same 1 marker questions only which I sent it
Yes.
to you yesterday?
Yes. Yes, it will be same. So you have escaped from the homework. Okay, fine. So Gitanjali, send me your work, okay? You have
Yes.
got my number now. Just send the notes now. Now itself you have to send it so that I can allow you to leave.
The notes that I've written.
Yes. The notes which you have written, those notes photo you have to click and then you have to send on my number. Now. Mahanvita, you can leave. Sampath, you may leave. Manasvi, you may leave.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Sudeep,
you.
yeah, thank you. Sudeep, you may leave. Rehan, you may also leave now. Aditi, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Pranati, you may also leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Jaspita, can you turn on your video, Jaspita?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Yesterday also we did not had the discussions. Good to see you. Okay. So
Yeah.
I think some confusion happened. You did not understand, right, how to join and all. But I'll tell you.
Yeah.
See, you have the group which is by the name 10P. Okay. In that 10P, in the morning time, we are posting the reminder that the class will be so and so time. According to that, you need to join the class. Now, two subjects are there on daily basis. One can be at the 5 or one can be at the 6. Or it can be one can be at the 5, the other one can be at the 7. So make sure that that group you should see to see the timings of it. Now, if it is bio class, the Zoom link, how you have joined now, that same link you have to save it only for your bio class whenever you have it. Okay. And rest of the classes, whatsoever is there at 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. or 8 p.m., you have to use the CT Pro link. Okay. That is how you have to join. Clear? For the bio, this Zoom link and the rest of the classes, CT Pro link.
But the thing is that I come home at 5 o'clock, so that's why I don't get the link also first.
Link that you can save it actually. No, in the message I have sent it. If you want, I can send it again. Okay. The Zoom link actually.
Okay, yeah, I'll save it.
And the message, reminder message will be there in the morning actually, 3 a.m.
Okay.
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 And most probably from coming week onwards, we will be shifting the timings as well to 6 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
So nothing to worry about. So you can,
Okay.
freshen up, you can just relax and then you can join.
Thank you.
Okay, then. Thank you. Gitanjali, what about your homework?
Ma'am, I sent it to you.
Okay, let me see. You should write the date also.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. You have to work a little on the handwriting as well, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll guide you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.